Hello my lovelies. Today I want to share with you a quick and simple meal idea for breakfast. My son is going to be helping me this morning, so I hope you go try this with your children and enjoy it. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So to my bowl I have 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add some cinnamon powder. I will add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So to this I'll be adding half of an ounce of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you have. Now I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of sweetened condensed milk, and then my son will be whisking that for you. Come around your time. Mix it, baby. You want to mix everything until it's pretty smooth. Orion, why do you love this meal?
Because I can eat it with maple syrup.
Okay, so what are we making for them? What is it called? What is it called? What is it we're making?
French toast.
Okay. So we mix this about 3 minutes until everything is creamy and nice. And then we're going to add our breads and fry it. So we're about finished here mixing this. Can you stop, baby, so we can see? Good. So we want all the ingredients to be incorporated well, so that when we put the bread inside, it will be evenly covered with all the different ingredients. And this is so nice. It's a delicious treat. Easy, fast, simple, and an effective way to stretch whatever you have. If you only have 2 eggs at home, you can get at least 6 slices of bread done up in this and serve as a mouth-watering meal. If you like this, remember to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the box below. So in my pot, I'm just going to put just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pot. You don't want to have a lot of oil, or else the bread is going to soak up all that oil, right? Now this is a very good technique to use up all your bread. So the back, you know, the backing that many persons throw away, this is a very good technique to use if you just want to save on, you want to utilize everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut each of my bread, my slice of bread into 2. I keep my bread in the fridge so they stay fresher for longer period of time and they don't go bad easily. So now I place my bread into my egg mixture. I toss it around, and then I'm gonna put this in the pot.
Oh, it's the oil. The oil smells good. I wish I could eat it, but no.
Good. So you want to keep your eyes on them because they burn very easily. And I tell you, this makes an amazing meal. To this, when we're finished now, I'm just going to serve this with some fruits and maple syrup or pancake syrup, whichever you have. But I tell you, my children love this. Very cost effective, very easy meal to prepare. It takes me less than 10 minutes. So you do that until both sides are golden brown. Then you take out those bad boys. I should show you what the other side looks like. Yeah, that's how they look on the other side. So you take all of that out, and then you add more to the pot. Guys, try this at home and tell me how it comes out for you. These are things that we sometimes go. These are things that we sometimes go into the restaurant and buy, and we pay such a fortune for that we can do at home, and it's easy and simple. Remember to share these ideas, guys. Leave your comments below and let me know what else you want me to try. My second set is in and going well. So we remember we fry them until they're golden brown on each side. We do not want to get them too dark. You don't want them to get bitter. So remember to always keep an eye on them. I've taken out my French toast. Now I'm going to serve it for my children, and I'll let you see how I do it. Remember, you can always substitute vegetable oil for olive oil, coconut oil, butter, avocado oil. Whatever you have at your disposal, use it. The result might be a little bit different based on the taste and based on your preference, but it's doable. So this is the finished product. I'm going to give my son his breakfast. So I'm serving him French toast with some fruits, and I'm sure you'll hear about it.
May I have some syrup, please?
Okay, so he normally asks for his syrup, so I'll just put a little bit of butter flavored table syrup or pancake syrup, maple syrup, whatever you have. You just put a little bit on top of that, and the children will enjoy that. Here you go, bud. Take it up.
Thank you.
So there you have it, my lovely people. Breakfast in 10 minutes. Guys, I want you to continue to support me, and I thank you so very much. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post a new video. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your breakfast. Mwah. I'm out.